Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with both workbooks open so Excel can create a live connection. First, save the source and target to known locations and note sheet names. This avoids broken links. Once done, select the cell in the target where you want the linked value. Next, type equals, switch to the source file, and click the cell to link. Pressing Enter creates a direct formula referencing the other workbook. This immediate link is the single reliable method for live data. Now refine the link so it behaves predictably. After you click the source cell and Excel writes the external reference, make it absolute with $ if you'll copy the formula. This maintains the exact address. Alternatively, define a named range in the source and use that name in the target to improve readability and reduce path issues. Make sure both workbooks remain accessible. Excel stores the full path, so moving files requires updating links. Finish by saving both files and testing the live connection. Close the source, reopen the target, and allow Excel to update links. If you need to change the source later, use data edit links to point to a different file or to break the connection. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see #ref or stale values, make sure the source file path, sheet name, and reference cell still exist. Correcting any mismatch immediately restores the link when you update.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.